Good morning, everyone. I am Chakshu Babbar from Chandigarh Group of Colleges. I am intern at Intellify. I am going to help you with Biology Class 7. Today, our chapter is Transportation in Animals and Plants, and our topic is Excretory System in Humans. Excretory System. From the name, Excretory System means the system which excretes or throws out waste products from our body. We know that our body cells do some work. While working, they use some energy and produce some waste materials. These waste materials are harmful and can be poisonous to our body. They can cause danger to our body. So, these waste products are removed. These waste products are removed with help of process called excretion. Excretion is the process in which unwanted waste materials are removed from our body. Its definition is excretion is the process of removal of unwanted waste produced by the cells of our body. This means that the process of removal of unwanted waste, the unwanted waste is the material in the body, the harmful chemicals that we don't require. The parts involved in excretion form the excretory system of our body. This is the diagram of excretory system. It consists of kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, and some veins and arteries. This is the inferior vena cava, which contains deoxygenated blood. This is the renal artery, which contain oxygenated blood. This is the dorsal aorta. It also contains oxygenated blood. This is the cortex. This is the medulla. This part is called as pelvis. This is the tube-like structure which connects kidney and urinary bladder. It is called ureter. These are two bean-shaped kidneys. The part above kidneys is known as adrenal gland. This is the urinary bladder. Here urine gets stored. This is the urethra. It is the opening through which urine is excreted. These are the main parts of excretory system. The main parts of excretory system are kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Kidneys are two bean-shaped structure which we have seen in the diagram. They are two in number. Ureter. Ureter is the pipe or the tube which connects kidney to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, from the name we know, urinary bladder is a bladder which stores urine. Urethra. It is the opening through which urine is excreted. Now we will see its working. So the waste in our body has to be removed. This process to filter the blood is done by blood capillaries in the kidneys. The blood capillaries in the kidneys diffuse in oxygen and diffuse out carbon dioxide, thereby making the blood oxygen rich. When the blood reaches the kidney, it contains useful materials and harmful materials. Useful materials are absorbed in the kidneys, and harmful materials are dissolved in water and are removed. From the kidneys, ureter starts and ends into urinary bladder. Ureter, ureter takes the harmful chemicals from kidney to the urinary bladder. We know that harmful substances were absorbed in water in the kidneys. So that water is taken by ureter into the urinary bladder. Ureter is a tube-like structure. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder starts at the end of the ureter. It is a bladder-like structure which stores urine. When the urinary bladder is full, we have urge to urine. At end of urinary bladder, we have urethra. Urethra is a muscular tube and it excretes the urine. The kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra form the excretory system. An adult human being excretes about 1 to 1.8 liters of urine every day. The urine consists of water, harmful chemicals, and some salts and waste products. The composition of urine is 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste soluble products. So when someone's kidney stops working, its excretory system is blocked. So the harmful chemicals get accumulated in its body. To prevent that, there is a technology called dialysis. Dialysis is the process through which the harmful chemicals in dissolved are removed artificially. In this, the artificial kidney is used to purify the blood. So these were the excretory system and all the parts. Next is some homework. You have to label this diagram and check from the previous diagram.